Curious about how to start a drone photography business? With the demand for stunning drone visuals soaring, now is the perfect time to launch your own venture. This video will provide you with everything you need to know to get your drone photography business off the ground. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into reality? Well, the first step is to register an LLC. And the easiest way to do that is with Northwest Registered Agents. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC today for as little as $39. And without further ado, let's get started. First off, let's understand what drone photography is. Drone photography allows you to capture sweeping perspectives that are impossible with traditional methods. Whether it's capturing the entire ambience of a wedding venue, showcasing the vast expanse of a real estate property, or providing dynamic coverage of events, drone photography brings a unique and captivating element to visual storytelling. The market for drone photography is still relatively untapped, offering plenty of room for new businesses to thrive. Now, let's proceed to choosing the right drone. Selecting the right drone is crucial for your business's success. You'll want to consider several key features when making your choice. Camera quality is paramount. Look for drones with high-resolution cameras capable of 4,000 video and high megapixel photos to ensure your shots are crisp and professional. Flight time is another important factor. Drones with longer battery life will allow you to maximize your shooting sessions without frequent interruptions. Additionally, consider the range and stability of the drone, as you'll need a model that can capture steady shots even in challenging conditions. Navigating legal and regulatory requirements. Before you can start your drone photography business, you must navigate various legal and regulatory requirements. The first step is to register your drone with the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, or your local aviation authority. In the United States, commercial drone operators must obtain the FAA Part 107 license, which involves passing a knowledge test. The cost for this certification is around $160. Additionally, it's essential to invest in liability insurance, which typically costs between $600 and $1,000 per year to protect your business from potential accidents or damages. It's important to know the drone laws in your country before you start taking photos. For example, in the United States, your drone must weigh less than 55 pounds, you can't fly above 400 feet, and you must always be able to see your drone. Understanding these basic laws will help you have safe and successful photo shoots, build a strong reputation, and gain your clients' trust. Developing your drone piloting skills. To excel in drone photography, you need to master both piloting and photography skills. Start first by practicing regularly to become comfortable with your drone's controls and capabilities. Experiment with different shots and angles to find what works best for various types of photography. Online courses offered by platforms like Udemy and Coursera can provide valuable training in drone piloting and aerial photography techniques. Engaging with online forums and joining local drone clubs can also help you learn from experienced pilots and stay updated on industry trends. Crafting a solid business plan. A well-thought-out business plan is essential for your success. Begin first by defining your niche and target market. Finding your niche is a key step in your drone photography business. Drone photography has many subgenres like real estate, surveillance, agriculture, and weddings. Try out as many genres as you can to see which ones you enjoy the most. Aim to have at least 2 favorite genres that you can focus on long term. The more skills you develop, the more clients you'll attract. Once you've chosen your favorites, you can start offering your services to a wide range of clients. Consider forming a limited liability company, an LLC, to protect yourself from personal liability and enjoy tax benefits. Developing a strong brand identity is also crucial. Invest time in creating a professional website and active social media profiles to attract clients and build your online presence. Equipping yourself with the right tools and software. Having the right tools and software will enhance the quality of your work and streamline your operations. Invest in high-quality editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro for post-processing your photos and videos. Flight management tools such as AirMap can help you plan and manage your flights more efficiently. Additionally, ensure you have extra batteries, propellers, and protective cases to avoid any disruptions during shoots. Marketing your drone photography business. Effective marketing is key to attracting clients and growing your business. Start by building a professional website showcasing your portfolio, services, and client testimonials. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to reach a broader audience and engage with potential clients. Networking is also vital. Join local business groups, attend industry events, and connect with other photographers to create opportunities for collaboration and referrals. To attract clients, offer compelling pricing packages. For weddings, consider creating packages that include both photos and videos. Real estate photography sessions can be priced per set of photos, while real estate video shoots can be priced based on the length of the video. By offering transparent and competitive pricing, you can build trust with your clients and encourage repeat business. Setting up your business legally. Choosing the right business structure is crucial for protecting your assets and ensuring tax compliance. For many drone photography businesses, forming an LLC is a smart choice as it provides liability protection and flexible tax options. To establish your LLC, you will need to file articles of organization with your state Secretary of State office. This process usually requires basic information about your business, such as name, address, registered agents, and the names of the members or managers. After forming your LLC, you will need to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the management structure of your business, the responsibility of the members, and the procedures for making important business decisions. Having a clear operating agreement can prevent disputes and ensure smooth operations. Managing finances and taxes. Keeping your business finances separate from your personal finances is essential for maintaining liability protection and accurate accounting. Open a business bank account to manage your income and expenses. You will need your LLC's articles of organization, operating agreement, and an employer identification number, EIN, to open the account. An EIN is a unique identifier for your business used for tax purposes. You can obtain an EIN from the IRS by completing an online application. With your EIN, you will also need to register for state and local taxes. Depending on your location, you may need a sales tax license or other permits to operate legally. Investing in accounting software or hiring a professional accountant can help you manage your finances, track your expenses, and ensure you comply with tax regulations. Keeping accurate financial records will also make it easier to measure your business's profitability and make informed decisions. Expanding your services and scaling your business. As your drone photography business grows, consider expanding your services to increase your revenue streams. For example, you can offer advanced editing services, 3D mapping, or virtual tours for real estate clients. Continuously update your skills and stay informed about new technologies and trends in the industry to remain competitive. Building a team can also help you scale your business. Hiring additional drone pilots, photographers, and editors will enable you to take on more projects and offer a wider range of services. Ensure your team members are properly trained and certified to maintain high-quality standards. So, launching a drone photography business involves careful planning, investment, and continuous learning. By following these steps and dedicating yourself to providing exceptional service, you can turn your passion for drones into a profitable and fulfilling business. Remember to stay adaptable, keep honing your skills, and always strive to exceed your clients' expectations. So, are you ready to turn your business idea into reality? Well, the first step is to register an LLC. And the easiest way to do that is with Northwest Registered Agents. Click the link in the description of this video and start your LLC today for as little as $39. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.